So hi everyone, I am here with the tool that I have created. This tool is known as Password Assistant or Password Manager. So this tool is really secure and trustworthy. It has some really cool features which makes this tool different from another password managing apps. This tool will work as a master password for all your accounts. Sorry, this tool will work as master account for all your accounts. You can save your password, manage them, and this tool uses some cloud APIs to upload your data to the cloud platforms. It supports Google Cloud Platform, Dropbox, Google Drive, and other cloud platforms like that to upload your data, and you can download that data from anywhere. Download the file in which the password will be saved. You can download that file from anywhere, and from that machine you can operate this you can operate your account of this tool. So first I'll show you how this tool is different from another tool. So this tool doesn't uses any typical database system. It saves your password in a file which is of random extension. So this file will save all your data, and the data will be saved in an encrypted form. So the file will be in an encrypted form, will has a random extension which will be worthless for anyone, and the encrypted file will not be saved in simple form. It will be fragmented, and the fragmented parts of that file will be saved at different locations. So first, if someone will retrieve that file, this file will be fragmented, and if one will retrieve the first half of that file, and even if he will be able to decrypt that file, it will be worthless for him in that way also. So this innovative idea makes this tool really secure. Now I'll show you how this tool works. So there are two options at the login page. You can register and you can log in. So if you has no account, you can go to register page. First I'll show you how the register page looks like. This is the register page. You can enter your data and register, and you can locate to login page as well. I'll locate to login page, and I'll enter my user account to show you how the home page looks like. So this is the home page. Here are some features like you can upload your data to the cloud platform. You can download your data to the from the cloud platform, and there are some features to add your data. So you can add your fields like if you want to save the password of your Google account, you can add the field, and here you have to enter a password. You can get suggestions of the password. So this is the suggested password. You can enter the length of the password if you want the desired length password suggestion. So you can also enter your password, and you can check the strength of this part of that password. Like I have entered this password, I have to enter this again. I can check the strength of my password. So the strength is 25 out of 100, and this is how this tool works. This tool is really helpful. Thanks for giving me your time.